Welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we are going to be covering variables. Let's begin. Go ahead and open your Atom IDE editor, and inside your Rex Python folder, create a new file, and we'll call this variables.py. I like to think about a variable as like a container, maybe like a Tupperware container. You can put things in Tupperware, like pasta or Chinese food, and then label the top of the container based on the contents inside the container. A variable is very similar to that. You can take a container and you can put whatever you want inside of it, like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So let's say I want to create another container, and I'll call this one container 2. And inside this container, I'm going to put sliced apples. And then I'll create another container and call it chocolate cake. And voila. I now have 3 different variables: container 1, container 2, and container 3. And inside of each of these variables is a different item. And so if I wanted to perhaps maybe print container 1, then I could do that, and it would return a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Or if I wanted to print container 2, I could do that, and it would return sliced apples. So these variables are just like empty boxes that you're filling with an item, whatever you want to put in there, another object, and then labeling it accordingly so that other people know what's inside. So let's say for Rex Programming Summer Camp, we have 200 students. And each of these students are going to need 3 containers. So per day, the total containers would be 3 containers times the number of students. And if I wanted to print the total number of containers I would need for the day, I could print that. 200 times 3 is 600. And so these variables can store strings, they can store these numbers, and all sorts of things. They can even store each other. And if I have a lunchbox that contained container 1, container 2, container 3, then I could print the lunchbox and have both the 600 total containers and the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, the sliced apples, and the chocolate cake. So these variables are just simply storing whatever you put in them. I hope you guys followed along and understand what variables are. Congrats. That's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next video.